Today I'm going to be giving you a really quick tutorial on how to download Google Chrome onto your MacBook. So to start off with, you're going to open your Safari browser and then you're going to type in Google Chrome in your search bar. We are then going to click on the first link that appears and then click on Download Chrome. Here you will see the application installing. You then click on it. This can be quite a long process, so it does involve a lot of waiting. When you see this appear, you then click on the Google Chrome icon and then wait for the application to install. You then press open, and as you can see, you just have to install. And just like that, Google Chrome is ready to use. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.